Hi friends, welcome back to my new channel. I draw this Illustrator logo design. So draw at first new page and select this line tool. Shift drag and draw this line tool. Select tools or select line tools and Ctrl, Alt and Shift. Select these two line tool and Ctrl plus Alt select and copy from here. Ctrl D for duplicate. And select this two line tool, mouse right click and transform. Rotate to preview 45 degree. Sorry, 90 degree rotate. Let's copy and two line tool, place from here. Draw this rectangle. Shift Alt and draw this rectangle. Here and here. Draw this rectangle. So select this mouse left button click, draw this shape. And here, draw the shape. Okay. Select. Ctrl plus Alt and direct selection tool, one click and something, one click or something. That's okay. Finally, I draw this Illustrator logo. That's color. I drop this color gradient shape. Select. That's okay. Draw this. Okay. Finally, I draw this Illustrator logo design. Thank you watching for my video and see you again. Please subscribe my channel and like and comment